Nucypher is a cryptographic system that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers designers to store, share, and oversee private information across different blockchains while allowing engineers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The ventures, for example, banking and medical care areas that arrangement with a colossal volume of subtleties influence the upsides of Nucypher security encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Egorov and Maclane Wilkeson in 2015. The two fundamental innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate powerful access control and mystery the executives. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and denies admittance to delicate information, while secret administration framework stores delicate data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbrel and Ursula. Previous is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbrel assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without taking a chance with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish unscrambling privileges to the beneficiaries with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, yet they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula stake Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. How does the Nucypher organize work? In the principal stage, a proprietor can encode information with the public key and transfer it to distributed circulated document frameworks like IPFS, Multitude, or some other stockpiling layer to store and share content across decentralized networks. Proprietors need to make and transfer re-encryption keys to the Nucypher organization to allocate admittance to legitimate beneficiaries. In the subsequent stage, Ursula acknowledges the re-encryption keys in return for charges and block rewards. Ursula, an excavator, will rekey information. Neither the stockpiling layer nor Ursula approaches plain text. In the third stage, the beneficiary passes an entrance solicitation to the Nucypher organization. On the off chance that a substantial re-encryption key exists, information will be rekeyed to the beneficiary's public key, and the beneficiary is permitted to resepulture it with the confidential key. Highlights of Nucypher organization. Nucypher was shaped to determine the issues of public key encryption frameworks, like the SSL, TLS in web applications, and why Cypher is turning into an unavoidable piece of decentralized applications. Nucypher convention basically includes three significant components. First and foremost, staker hubs where Nu can be secured in the marking escrow for a span. The locking of Nu will create two sorts of remunerations, expansion reward Nu and strategy reward ETH. Also, the specialist hub called Ursula helps hold cryptographic activities. At long last, Umbrel intermediary re-encryption, a key encryption type, gives access control to disseminated conventions. Together the organization jam data from assaults and spamming. What is Nu cryptographic money? The local utility badge of the Nucypher network is called Nu, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain and stands to circulate trust in the framework. How much confidence in every hub is straightforwardly relative to the quantity of tokens secured in the hub. Network assignment, denial activity in the framework, and key administrations are boosted utilizing Nucypher Nu. Holders can stake the Nucypher Nu to run a hub and procure expansion rewards. Those who hold Nu can take part in the administration proposition of Nucypher. Nu was first sold in the straightforward understanding for the future token after its most memorable testnet send-off in October 2019. Data manifest 8% of the complete symbolic stockpile was bought in the SAFT. The people who bought Nucypher Nu in SAFT had locked their token for quite a long time, while Nucypher moved towards a full mainnet. After the mainnet send-off, there was a stockpile of 1 billion Nu, in that 30% of token stockpile was shared with early financial backers and 8% for SAFT financial backers. In June 2021, it was recorded with Binance. Nucypher specialized investigation. The verifiable value outline of Nucypher is intriguing. Nucypher took off fundamentally on October 15, 2021, on the event of the primary commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group supported the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchanging 2020. After the new cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Moreover, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital money market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the explanation for the Nucypher digital currency rush. The new cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the renowned digital currency trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at 48 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a circling supply of 703 million new. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58 on October 15, 2021. The record-breaking low is 6 cents, which was on NOV 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the most exorbitant cost. And it is because of the selling tension after the untouched high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunge contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher New shows that, following 1 year of sideways moves, New has abruptly soared and was moved by colossal volume in October. The candle's initial cost of Nucypher was 28 cents. And the end cost of Nucypher was $1.40. Much more. October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw a colossal market cap appreciation. Consequently, many coins raised to a record-breaking high. Nucypher New cost uncovered a fading negative force on the everyday outline by making more promising low points. There is a dropping example in the pattern line, as displayed in the diagrams. According to our Nucypher conjecture, a drawn-out expansion in the worth is expected. The cost figure for the year 2027 recommends the worth may be around $1.99. Putting resources into new virtual monetary standards could turn out to be an extraordinary expansion to your portfolio. In a 5-year estimate according to our examination and forecasts, the greatest cost is supposed to be $8.69 with a base exchanging esteem, and the typical exchanging cost to be roughly $7.14 and $7.35. According to TNL's Nucypher figures, the most extreme cost for 2022 will be 64 cents with a typical cost of 58 cents. The transient Nucypher cost forecast looks bullish. Nucypher value forecast 2022. New coin value forecast is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Thus, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin expectation 2023. Nucypher crypto cost expectation theorize a beginning at 70 cents. New value expectation is slowly going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the primary quarter. Nucypher coin cost forecast predict an end at 74 cents constantly end. Nucypher value forecast 2024. Nucypher forecasts are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed vertical development and is supposed to cross $1.05 by the principal half. The cost will again tumble to 73 cents toward the finish of 2024. Nucypher value forecast 2025. New crypto cost forecast predicts a beginning at $1.09. The greatest cost anticipated for 2025 is $1.18. Out-and-out Nucypher cryptographic money is a productive venture for what's to come. Nucypher value expectation